Hi friends, in today's lecture, we will study how to utilize the take function of Office 365. Remember, this function is available only in Excel 365. So let us see how to proceed with this function. Supposing I have a set of data called as product ID, product name, seller, and the same, and I want to extract the first four records from this data. Then in that case, I will use the take function. So I'll say equal to take followed by open parenthesis. Now the first parameter is array, the array from which you want to take rows or columns. So I will highlight my entire array. This is my first parameter. Then I give a comma. Now it is asking me the total number of rows to extract from that array. So I want the top 4 rows, so I will type 4. And then if you want, you can close the parenthesis or you can specify comma and give the number of columns you want to extract. Now since I want to extract all the columns, I don't give the fourth parameter, I just close the parenthesis and hit enter. So you can see now it has extracted the first 4 records. Now if I want to extract the bottom 4 records, then in that case, I will just edit the formula and say -4 at the end. And now it will show me the last 4 records. You can see P010, P011, 12 and 13. Now, let's assume that I would like to extract the records in which the product name is mouse. So, we use one alternative function of Excel called as the filter function. So, I select filter, I give open parenthesis. First is the range or array to filter, comma. Second is include an array of boolean. So supposing I want to search this value equals to, in quotation marks, I will type mouse, close quotes, close brackets and hit enter. So it will extract all those records in which the product name is mouse. Now what we'll do, we'll copy this entire filter function and we'll use it in take. So here we will type equal to take, open parenthesis, then I press Ctrl V. So the filter function gets pasted over there. Then I give a comma. And suppose from the mouse, I want to extract only the first 2 rows. So I close parenthesis and I hit enter. So it extracts only the first 2 rows from the data for which the product name is mouse. Now let's assume that I want to sort this data in the ascending order, and then I want to extract the first 3 rows. Then in that case, we will be using the sort function. So I will say equal to sort, open parenthesis, and then I give this array, comma, then the sort index. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, I want to sort the 4th column. And I want to sort in the descending order. So I say -1 and I close parenthesis and I hit enter. So you can see it has sorted the same field in the descending order. Now I use this sort function and I will utilize it within the take. So I will say equal to take, open parenthesis, and After that, I press Ctrl V for the sort. Then I give comma and I want to extract only the first 3 rows. I close bracket and I hit enter. We give it here equal to take, open parenthesis, Control V, comma 3, close parenthesis and hit enter. So it extracts the first 3 rows after sorting them in the ascending order. So friends, hope you have understood how to use the take function. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.